How to enable or disable sound effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fairlight page. This is the section dedicated to all your audio editing, and it's where you will find most of the sound related settings. Next, select the audio clip you want to work with in the timeline. To add a sound effect, click on the effects section in the top left, then choose from available options like reverb, delay or EQ. Drag and drop the effect onto the audio clip to apply it. Once applied, you can adjust each effect settings as needed from the inspector panel. If you want to disable a sound effect temporarily, go to the Effects tab in the Inspector panel and toggle the switch off, so you can easily re-enable it later if needed. If you want to permanently remove the sound effect, click on the trash icon next to the effects name. And that's it, now you know how to enable or disable sound effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.